Introduction. Narrator.
Welcome
to the
channel.
fascinating world of U.S. currency
New
production.
day.
Today, we'll take you behind the scenes at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, where every dollar bill is meticulously crafted. Designing the currency narrator. The journey begins with the design phase. Artists and security experts collaborate to create intricate designs that reflect American heritage and incorporate advanced security features. Visual, designers sketching and discussing designs. Narrator. Elements like watermarks, security threads, and color-shifting ink are integrated to prevent counterfeiting. Engraving and plate making. Narrator. Next, master engravers transfer the designs onto steel plates. This process, known as engraving, ensures that every detail is captured with precision. Visual. Engravers working on steel plates. Narrator. These plates are then used to create printing plates through a process called siderography. Scene 4. Printing the currency narrator. The actual printing takes place in two facilities, Washington, D.C. and Fort Worth, Texas 1. Visual, printing presses in action. Narrator. The printing process involves multiple stages, including offset printing, intaglio printing, and overprinting. Each stage adds layers of color and security features, inspection and quality control. Narrator. Quality control is paramount. Each bill undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards. Visual. Inspectors examining currency. Narrator. Advanced technologies like the Currency Overprinting Processing Equipment, COPE, and Large Examining Printing Equipment, LEPE, play crucial roles in this process. Cutting and packaging. Narrator. Once printed, the sheets are cut into individual bills and packaged for distribution. Visual. Machines cutting and packaging currency. Narrator. The finished bills are then sent to the Federal Reserve, where they are distributed to banks and financial institutions across the country. Conclusion. Narrator. From design to distribution, the creation of U.S. currency is a blend of art, science, and technology. Each bill is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and advanced security measures that ensure the integrity of our money. Visual. Close-up of a freshly printed dollar bill. End credits. Narrator. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of U.S. currency production. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how money is made.
And my new experiences for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more about American money creation.